You thought you needed tech skills, a huge budget, or endless hustle to make money online? Think again. The lazy way is now the smart way, and AI is doing the heavy lifting. I'm Ayotomiwa Oduwaye, an AI video expert and digital strategist. I started this channel to help people like you build simple automated income streams with powerful AI tools with zero stress. Here, you will learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Sora, CapCut, Kling, Runway, name it, to launch faceless YouTube channels, create digital products in minutes, automate content, and tap into affiliate income streams. All with no code, no tech edits, and barely lifting a finger. How cool is that? New tutorials and lazy money making hacks drop every week, designed to help you work smarter, earn faster, and live on your own terms. If you're ready to stop grinding and start winning, click the subscribe button and subscribe now to Lazy AI Side Hustles, where the only thing working hard is your AI.